Good morning, good morning, good morning. We miss you here at school. Your test on cells is Friday. Write this down. It is Friday, October 8th. All right, so this is the study guide. This covers everything that's going to be on the test. All right, we are going to define the word single-celled, also known as unicellular. Hadassah, how many cells in a unicellular organism? One. Good. Write that. One celled. And we're going to go quick. We're not going to try to hem and haw over these. Multicellular. Zayden, how many cells in a multicellular organism? Very good. Many. It is many cells. All right. Specialized cells. What do specialized cells do, Jaden? Very good. They make tissues. What else can they make? They can make here. Yes, they do special jobs. Okay, they can't do it all by themselves. They do special jobs. So specialized cells are like muscle cells or blood cells or nerve cells. You are made up of a bunch of these, okay? You are not made up of unicellular organisms. You are not made of a bunch of amoebas stacked together. You are made of specialized cells. Your muscle cells make your muscles. Your blood cells make your blood. Your nerve cells make your nerves. You are made of a lot of specialized cells. All right, here we go. Now we are just going to write either U or M. Are you ready? Janie, an amoeba, is it unicellular or multicellular? Very good, amoeba, uni, like a unibrow. Very good. Bacteria. Matthew, is bacteria unicellular or multicellular? Uni, very good. And I also want you to write that it is also a decomposer, remember? Ms. Ross, are you saying there's going to be a question on my test that says which one of these is both a single-celled organism that is a decomposer? Yes. Are you saying the answer going to be bacteria? Yes. Okay, Ms. Ross. Thank you. All right. Plant, unicellular or multicellular? Evan, unicellular or multicellular? Very good. Plants are very complicated. All right. What about your cat? Meow. Sydney, what about your cat? Unicellular or multicellular? Very good, multicellular. What about a human? Carson, multicellular. What about a paramecium? Sam, paramecium, uni or multi? Uni, very good. And we just watched a video of a paramecium pooping. It was gross. All right, what about an insect, Wyatt? Uni or multi? Very good. Multi-complicated. Euglena. Layla, Euglena, single or multi? Very good. This is a unicellular organism. What about a frog, Matthew? Very good. Very complicated critter. What about a worm, Liam? Very good. Multicellular. All right. What about an organism that has a bunch of different organs? It has heart, it has lungs, it has a brain, it has all kinds of things. What do you say, Aaliyah? Very good. All right, clear enough? Yep. Not so bad? Not so bad. All right, here we go. Why can single-celled organisms live on their own? Why are they so independent? Remember the little red-headed Irish girl. What does she say? Jaden, what do they do? Very good. They do it themselves. They do all life functions. They pee, they poop, they eat, they move, they grow. They do all their life functions by themselves. And then I want you to draw my little redheaded friend. And what does she always say? She says, "I do myself. I do myself, Miss Misty. That's what she used to call me. Misty. I do myself. She wouldn't let me help her eat. She wouldn't let me help her. She wouldn't let me pick her up to take her places. I do myself. Okay. Next one. What is something that all multicellular organisms have in common? What do they have in common? Evan? Good. They have specialized cells. Good. They have cells that do specialized jobs, specialized cells, and they also all have to have transport systems. They have to have a way to move stuff all over themselves because they can't do it themselves, can they? They have to have transport systems, and we're going to write that. That's like veins and what did I say? Intestines. So like a fly, Miss Ross, do a fly have veins? It has something that moves its food from its mouth to its butt. It has something. It has something that does that job. Okay. Miss Ross, are you saying that a worm has veins and intestines? It has something that moves its food from its mouth to its booty and delivers nutrients all over it. Yes. Huh? Oh my goodness, Sam, hurry. You have 5 seconds. All right, what is the difference between unicellular and multicellular? Write this over here. Unicellular is simple. Multicellular is complex, right? Ms. Ross, that's all you want us to write? Yep. I know. It's exciting. You're thinking to yourself, it can't possibly be that easy, but it is. All right. What is the main purpose of cells inside of multicellular organisms? Evan said something about it earlier. What is their main purpose? Liam? They have to do their jobs to keep the organism alive. Because if the organism dies, they die. They have to do their jobs to keep their organism alive. All right. What are the 5 things that single-celled and multi-celled organisms have to be able to do? Tell me one of them, beautiful Aaliyah. What do they have to be able to do in order to live? Aaliyah, tell me one of them. That's right. Take in, well, she said energy, nutrients. Okay, that's one thing they have to be able to do. What's another thing they have to be able to do? Jamie? Good, reproduce. Liam, what's another thing they have to be able to do? Good, eliminate waste. Smart, Liam. What's another thing they have to be able to do? Carson. Who? Grow. Smart. And the last one, it's how you get from here to the playground. Well, that is about taking in nutrients. Good idea, but he's right about the word transport. They have to be able to do this here. Oh, write this down. Move. They got to be able to move. Okay. So they have to be able to take in nutrients, reproduce, eliminate waste, grow, and move. And all of them can do that. But I don't want you to think just because it's tiny, it doesn't need any energy. Or just because it's tiny, it doesn't grow. All right, and then the last one, and then we'll do our Kahoot. You got to do a Kahoot at home too, kids. All right. Why do organisms such as dogs and humans need many different types of cells to survive? Okay, why? Why, Adeus? Because they are complex. Very good. Because they are complex. They need specialized cells. All right, you guys at home, we miss you. We love you. That's you too, Tinley. Y'all say hey to Tinley. Hey, Tinley, we miss you. All right, make sure you have all this down. Test is Friday.